Hi guys, welcome back. On Tech Aid, we are providing you practical solutions to your problems. Whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide, we have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to fix drafts on TikTok. First of all, you can open the TikTok application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And here you can now tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on settings and privacy at very last. And here you can just simply scroll down. Now you can tap on free up space. And here you can just simply clear cache. And after clearing the cache, the issue is not solved. You can just simply go to the App Store or Play Store. And here you can search TikTok. And after this, you can just simply update the latest version of TikTok app. After updating, the issue is 100% solved. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN, it's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.